Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, launch your App Store or Google Play Store according to your device if you are using an iOS device or an Android device. So I'm just going to launch App Store. Now once you are here, go to search and then search for Facebook. Here we go. Now tap on the application, and if you see an option of update like you see in my case, then tap on the option of update and make sure that your Facebook app is updated to its latest version. As Facebook Marketplace is a new feature on Facebook, if your app isn't updated to its latest version, you may not get the feature. Now another step what you can follow in order to resolve your issue is that just open Settings on your mobile device. Now, as I am using an iOS device, I'm just going to scroll down and tap on the option of General. Now, once you are here, just tap on the option of iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down below and search for Facebook and tap on the app. Now, once you are here, you can see the option of Offload App. Now, tap on it. Now, tap on the option of Offload App again. Now, before you reinstall the app, wait for a minute or two and then tap on Reinstall App. Reinstalling app may take some time, so you may have to wait for a while. Now, another last step that you can follow in order to fix your issue is that just go back to your home page and then open any web browser according to your preference. In my case, I'm launching Safari. Now, just go to the search bar and search for www.facebook.com. Here we go. Now once you are here on Facebook's website, make sure that you are logged on to your profile. Now at the right hand side corner, just below the three lines icon, you can see the option of Facebook Marketplace. Just tap on it and you can see that the Marketplace option is available on your Facebook profile on your website version. You can follow these steps and check your application if your problem is fixed or not. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos.